guys, I got the palm press today from Amazon. Listen here. I have a lot of these things, but nothing like this. I absolutely love this. You can make an 8-ounce cup of coffee anywhere if you have this and you have the grounds. First thing I'm going to do is have my assistant add some coffee. See the line down there? You just fill that. Keep on going, keep on going. Shake, 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 shake. And that's pumpkin spice coffee. Keep on. Keep on, keep on, keep on, keep on, keep on. A little more, 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 a little more. I think that's it. Let me shake it a little bit. We're right on the money, okay? So it shows you exactly. Now I have my water. Now what's neat is if you go to a fast food restaurant, a lot of times they will give you hot water for free. Any restaurant will give you hot water. If you're in a hotel room, you can get hot water. And so what we do is we just pour water up to the line, which is right there, and then we're going to put the cap on there. And you got to be careful putting the cap on when the water's on. Let me do that. You got to just put that on there and hold that, line up those two, keep on going, line those two lines up right there. And guess what, we're going to leave this for 3 minutes, and then I'm going to show you what a great cup of coffee looks like. It's been 3 minutes. So what you do is you take this and you flip that right there like that, no mess, and you just slowly push. Now, it does help if you hold it a little bit. Like that. Look at this, guys. Is that genius? Look at this. This is the size it is. And there's my cup of coffee. And look how rich that is. You guys want to hear something cool? This is genius, okay? And again, when you're making coffee, you open this up like that. You unscrew this. Now, obviously, it has grounds in there. You know what I'm saying? I'll rinse all this out. So, guys, it cleans up very, very nicely. And you pull this tab right here. You can see that. It's that easy to clean up. You just rinse it out. Now, let me tell you about the flavor of the coffee. It's something I didn't do before. It tastes like it's not so much coffee, more of an espresso flavor, meaning it's a coffee, but it has a very, very rich flavor. I absolutely love this. Genius. Just absolutely genius. But you're going to notice a great cup of coffee comes out of this. Better than just a regular cup of coffee. Again, it's like a hybrid between an espresso and a coffee. And so if you love coffee, you might want to consider one of these.